Salamanders are small amphibians we don't normally think of as pests, but they can be found in or around our property when insect pest populations spike. When salamander activity rises, that usually means insect activity is rising. Many garden variety salamanders are toxic to the touch, usually causing skin irritation, but some salamanders could actually be lethal. In this video, we'll go over how to control the salamander population on your property and prevent future activity. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Salamanders closely resemble lizards due to their body shape and features, with their long, slender bodies and tails. However, lizards are reptiles, while salamanders are amphibians. Salamanders have moist, porous skin, while lizards have dry, scaly skin. Salamanders usually grow to be 4 to 8 inches long, with shorter legs, stouter bodies, and bellies that drag on the ground. With hundreds of species in the United States, they come in a wide variety of colors with bright, vibrant patterns. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Salamanders live near bodies of water, prefer to stay in cool, moist areas, and they lay their eggs in water or in wet places. They would not be able to survive where it's dry. If salamanders are present, your property may have areas that are conducive to their activity. They can stay in water or on land in areas where they don't dry out, like underneath logs, in leaf piles, under patio slabs, or underground. If you have a garden, live near a pond or stream, or have areas where stagnant water accumulates, these are prime areas to check out. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. The primary method of controlling salamanders on your property is to control their food source, insects. By controlling insect pests in your yard, animals like salamanders will move to hunt elsewhere. To treat a broad range of insects, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water. For residential applications, you can use a handheld pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a hose end sprayer. For general control, mix and apply a solution at the labeled rate of 1 fluid ounce of product in 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Apply evenly over turf using a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure full coverage. We also recommend you spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Next, conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide in. Next, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Like other small pests, salamanders can invade indoors when looking for food. Make your home less accessible by sealing cracks and crevices around the exterior with caulk or use an expanding foam, and seal openings in your fence with a mesh material. Inspect for loose wood, as pests often use them as harborages. Pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home, and keep trees and shrubs trimmed to reduce animal harborages. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. 1 application of Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days, so we recommend quarterly applications to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can control insects and reduce salamander activity on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.